Hey guys, John Prine, 1973, I bought that album. The year we moved to Almont. In 1978, I got this one here. It's called the Bruised Orange. Alright, anyway, we're going to pay just a little tribute to John today, and hope you like this song. This one's called The Speed of the Sound of Loneliness. You come home late and you come home early. You come home big when you're feeling small. You come home straight and you come home curly. Sometimes you don't come home at all. So what in the world come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? Broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. They're running just to be on the run. Well, I got a heart that burns with the fever, and I got a worried and a jealous mind. How can a love that lasts forever get so far left behind? What in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? You're broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. It's a mighty mean and a dreadful sorrow. Cross the evil line today. Well, how can you ask about tomorrow when we ain't got no word to say? So what in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? Broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. What in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. You're out there running just to be on the run. You're out there running just to be on the run. There you go. Be safe and be healthy.